Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2020 Case IH 4412F non-chopping corn head. This unit sitting here in Judah, Wisconsin. We traded it in, one of two that were traded from the same guy out west of us, quite a ways out of town, but he ran two machines. I really don't know how many acres were run through it per year. It didn't run in 24, but knives are reasonable. I think they're probably original. If I were going to be a guessing guy, it would be 2,000 acres a year, 5, 6, 7,000 acres on it. It does have the spline shaft, 1000 PTO version. The auger looks good. Sorry I don't have it folded, but it does run fine. It all goes together square. End row augers, once again, the poly is in very good shape, as is typical of almost every 4400 series I've seen. The auger on the end here, no problems. The hangers look okay. There's a serial plate, 2020. Didn't notice any bruises on the snoots, at least so far. It does have the whisker for Truesight. Now there's one little bump right there. Otherwise, pretty sharp 4412F folding. Thank you. Appreciate you watching the video.